What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all having a great weekend, and welcome to this video in which we'll take a look at Ethereum. We'll take a look at the technicals. We'll also talk about some fundamentals. We kind of have to, but most importantly, how will we start the week? Right now it's weekend. We're all still pretty cool, but usually we get into the week with a big move. So is that going to send us further down towards 1075? Or can we maybe expect some more bullish momentum? All right, so that's what we'll talk about. First of all, if you take a look at Ethereum right now, volume has probably fallen like 50-60%. It's 60% down to 3.8 billion, which used to not be normal. All right, 2.6% of the market cap used to not be normal. Definitely not if you compare it over the last 3 months. This used to be what we did, and this was even in September and October when the volume was also pretty low. But you definitely see that after the whole FTX crash that the volume has definitely dropped down. Whether that's institutions trading less or people trading less, who knows? But it's something you should know. And altogether, I mean, Ethereum has found support as we expected. What I said yesterday is that in the weekend we would at least yesterday we had already broken above this 1175 level. So what I said is that, all right, well, we have found our support because we have already had a bullish breakout. We'll probably take a break retest and get to our next resistance level, which we touched in the last 4 hours. That's 1195, 1200 level ultimately, which is a strong resistance level. And I said this yesterday. This was not what I expected for the weekend, obviously, because the weekend, when the volume drops down and the volatility is dropping as well, there usually not a lot has happened. So Friday we had a big move. That's why yesterday we still moved quite a lot. But for today, I'm actually not expecting a lot. It's just that in night from Sunday to Monday, I am expecting big moves again, and I am not sure whether they will be bullish or bearish. I mean, we can discuss the fundamentals in the market right now. Fundamentals in the market right now are not great. There's still a lot of fear around specific chains and specific exchanges around their proof of reserves, whether that's correct. And then you also have some fear around the digital coin group, which is a big VC in crypto, that they are about to fall, and they have a lot of big crypto subsidiaries as well. So still a lot of fear. And then you take a look at the economics side of things. So you take a look at the dollar index, strength index, excuse me, early morning, which is still very low historically, or at least over the last half a year. So I mean, that's then bullish, but what matters more, right? So that's hard to say also for me. What I expect is 1150 to hold. Now, whether that means that we can also get back up towards 1220 and 1250, that's a different story. Basically, what will happen today is that we'll probably start dropping down towards 1175 and maybe even start dropping down towards 1160 and 1150. And then in the night from Sunday to Monday, what we'll either do is we'll either have a big bearish move below 1150. If that happens, we'll start dropping down to 1075 and 1080. But on the other hand, we could also have a bullish move. If that would happen, we would, I mean, there's basically two sorts of bullish moves. It's either a very big one, which would break above 1200 and recover a little bit up towards 1240 and 1250, which would be amazing. Or it's just up to 1200, after which, it's relatively bullish, because then we at least know that we can consolidate on top of 1150. So there's basically three things that can happen. Yesterday I said that I wanted to make sure to give you some more details on which one is more likely. I think this one is more likely. All right, I think this one is more likely, but it's hard to say, and that's why I wanted to discuss and tell you about all the different ones. So, but that's my take on Ethereum for today. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll see what has happened then. But for now, take care. Have a great Sunday. Enjoy it, and bye.